water heat pumps. These units work in a very similar manner to air-to-air heat pumps, but without the reversing valve. The high pressure, high temperature vapor refrigerant leaves the compressor, but this time it heads into a plate heat exchanger. On the other side of the plate heat exchanger, water is being cycled through a hot water storage tank. Cooled water enters the heat exchanger from the tank, and as it passes through the heat exchanger, it absorbs heat from the hot refrigerant. The water will then leave at a much hotter temperature and flow back to the hot water storage tank to repeat the cycle. As the refrigerant gives up its heat to the water, it will condense, and it will then leave the heat exchanger as a high pressure, lower temperature liquid. We've covered how heat exchangers work in our previous videos. Links to these can be found in the video description below. The refrigerant then passes through the filter dryer and the sight glass, and then into the expansion valve. The expansion valve causes the refrigerant to become part liquid, part vapor state, and will be at a low temperature and pressure. It then passes through the outdoor heat exchanger, where the outdoor ambient air causes the refrigerant to boil. The refrigerant then leaves as a low pressure, low temperature, slightly superheated vapor, and is then sucked back into the compressor to repeat the entire cycle again. The hot water tank then provides hot water to the radiators, sinks and showers within the building.